mic going here. All right. I think we're here. We're gonna be playing main assembly tonight because I was seriously so much of my game selection is based on just impulsivity of what I've seen like other YouTubers play. I was watching Dre play this one, or play a game similar to this, and I remember that I have this game. But let's be honest here, this game is actually really cool. It's a lot like those games like Besiege or Scrap Mechanic, those kind of games where you can have like a sandbox building game. You can get pretty detailed in this game too, I know that. I made some cool stuff before. I just kind of want to run the sandbox here. Here we have Sweden here. Yes, Sweden. Let's actually check. I had another vehicle in here that I'm gonna refresh myself or refresh the controls here. Yeah, here we go. This was really cool, actually. Let's load that up. Manuals. Yes, look at this. Look at this. I made this. It's like a DeLorean. And because you can have different panels and things like that, so it ended up looking really cool. Let's try it out. I'm really proud of this, actually. Let's get in it. Yeah, look at this. Look how slow it is. No grip either. Oh wow, we're just sliding. Alright, so yeah, it's pretty lame, but well, it's lame on ice. But yeah, let's get out here. You can also edit the world, which is really cool. Look, I'm like Guilty Spark in Forge mode. That's so great. I need to play Forge mode actually. I have the MCC. It's just a matter of getting it downloaded and set up. Let's start a new one though. Kits. What's a kit? Oh, those are pre-builts. Very nice. Radio. See, that's the thing. I'm pretty sure this one has lots of programming in it. Flailing arm. That's awesome. But yeah, I'm sure this has some programming in it. Although, where do they get the music from? Surely they don't have like copyrighted music. But yeah, let's start a new assembly, a main assembly. Get it? Because it's the name of the game. How do I make a new one? All. Start new bot. There we go. Wow. Jeez. Maybe I'm too dumb for this game already. But what do I want to make? I feel like making a mech would be really cool, but that is incredibly hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with the box and just mess around, get a feel for what we're looking at here. Where'd it go? Excuse me. Oh, there it is. Alright. But yeah, I love these games. These games used to be my bread and butter. Like these were what would just get me really excited, because like it just not as much anymore, because now since I'm going to college for engineering, I have the tools to make whatever I want in real life. But as a kid, this was just always so cool, because I could just make whatever I dreamed of. I mean, of course, I can't make like a working robot yet. So, I mean, it's not like 1-to-1 here, but yeah, I do get to make things. Like I made myself a nice little mouse case to hold my mouse so it doesn't bang around in my backpack when I'm going to school. I 3D printed it, and that was actually really cool. Really proud of that one, even though it was like falling apart a lot. I was able to get that to work. And it's just the best feeling when you finally finish a project like that. It's the satisfaction is kind of addicting, I gotta say. So I am. Wait, I keep going. All right. Let's go to catalog. Let's just look at some of these parts here. I wanna look at how much customization there is for materials. There's different kinds of textures, and look at that. That's really cool. I don't know. That's just really cool to me. And there's different colors. I think there's a lot of different colors here. I'm sure there's a color wheel we can use here. It reminds me of Robocraft before Robocraft went to shit. That was a fun game. It really was. But they just kept going for loot boxes and just ruining the game, not listening to the players. Unfortunate. It killed a lot of YouTubers that I used to watch. Used to just do content solely on Robocraft. I used to too. It's still on my channel. There's a couple of videos from that. But a lot of them, they had to move on, unfortunately, because nobody played Robocraft anymore because it just went to shit. So they lost a lot of their viewers, which is kind of sad. I guess that's a case of, you don't want to only play one game. I mean, if you're going to be a gaming YouTuber, I guess. Ooh, engines. And there's an RCS. Props. I don't know. I want to make some sort of hovercraft because I can do an AI PID system. I'm sure. Oh, yeah, no. There's sensors here, yeah. So I can make a PID. There's gyroscope, smart sensor. I'm pretty sure that just is. It looks like a distance, a proximity sensor. Oh wait, that's proximity. Oh, this is a radar. It'll determine certain parts. This just determines any surface. Speedometer, GPS, altitude. See, the proximities are going to be really nice for a hovercraft because you can just put it under each engine, and once the engine falls under or gets close enough to the ground, it turns on. So that's an easy way to make a hovercraft. I saw that in one of Dre's scrap mechanic videos a long time ago as a really easy way to make a hovercraft or a drone, quadcopter. But what should I make? There's also weapons. There's not really anything to like break in this game, but it's still fun to have stuff that breaks other stuff. Googly eyes, very nice. I love that. See, now I'm stumped because I just want to play around, but so there's lights. Are there buttons? No, I think the buttons come from the controller. Chassis. You could do a car, but that's so basic. Who wants a car? Hovercraft, car, walker. Walkers are pretty hard though. I mean, I could try a walker. That is going to be really tough, but you know what? I suppose I can give it a shot. So, what we're going to want for a walker is probably... Is this plastic? What chassis is this? Key press... Okay, whatever. Control. Okay. I shouldn't start with a bipedal walker, but I just can't get over how cool mechs are. So we're gonna go with a bipedal walker. I'm like writing my own death certificate here, but I don't care. So let's make the base pretty wide. We can always change all that later. And what we need is a gyro first and foremost. Wait, that's colors. Oops. All right, sensors. We want a gyro to make sure it can stand up straight. There it is. But we also need to make it be able to walk. So I don't know whether we should make the legs first or the gyro first. Let's start with... I kind of want to make an insect walker though, like a strand beast. That would be really cool. So in that case, we don't really need... we don't need a gyro for that because it has multiple points of contact. We could just use these, right? But that's no fun. I want to make something myself. So we need servos. Probably some shocks. Do we have shock? Yeah, here we go. Servos and shocks first of all. What I'm going to do is probably turn off mirror mode. I keep doing that. Keep pressing escape, expecting to go to menu. Well, it does, but it's more of like the game menu, not the inventory. Let's turn off mirror. Make a kit from selection. So turn off mirror. It's still mirroring. Can I turn off mirror? Please, thank you. Is it? Yes, it's still mirroring, unfortunately. Pardon me, guys. This might take a while for me to get used to here. What's radial tool? B? Nope, that is E is radial. Toggle park. Wait, what? Is it working now? No. Okay, it's fine. I'm just gonna roll with it. At worst, we'll just delete the other side. So let's go over to the right side and get a good idea of what we want here. Radial. Let's go to. Okay, so what we want is a hinge first of all, so the leg can move side to side. Powered, of course. Yeah, something like this. That's a servo, piston. I could use pistons, dang. That could be very fun, actually. I think I'm going to use pistons for the actual leg actuators. For the hinge, I think we're just going to use one of these things. So... it's kind of rough, though, because I want it to be not one of those hinges, but something that can... Okay, we can just use a servo on the bottom. That is perfectly fine. We can just set the attach point here. Is there a large servo? Yes, I think a piston's going to work. So let's rotate that servo. How do I rotate it? That's not it. Well, I don't know how to rotate things. Excellent. Let's go to controls and figure it out. Rotate. Programming. This is sad. Bend, radial, flip part, toggle mirror mode. I can't help but laugh because this is so rough. Creative movement, clone, flip part, bend. Yikes. Okay. Well, can I access it from the radial menu? No, I cannot. So what would I do about that? I just deleted it. Nice. Let's Drag another one up here. Oh wait, what? Oh, I know what happened. I went into editing the thingy. Can I angle it? Okay. Okay, that time deleted, I think. Yes, okay. Mouse wheel. It's the mouse wheel. That's how you rotate, fellas. Good thing we cleared that up. Very nice. Alright, so we have this. We want another fixture for... Actually, I'm going to put it on the top. I'm very indecisive, but... Can I delete it? Delete it. Delete. How would one delete? Nope, not escape. Tab, nope, not tab. Oh, okay, hold, right click. Okay, it's a learning experience. This is a learning experience. As much for me as it is for you. Probably more for me. I also want the grid to, let's go to the options again and figure out how to change the grid. Because I want everything to be symmetrical. Because I'm weird like that. Grid size, okay, plus minus. Alright. Let's give it a shot. Shift. Is it working? Is it working? No. Maybe I toggled the grid. Would it be on the radio? Mirror, invert, nope. Alright, well, I like this, I really do like this, the radial menu. It's really, I don't know, it's intuitive, I like it. Toggle notes, mirror mode. Grid size reset. Possibly there's like a grid activate menu, or activate button. Let's try it. No, I don't think it'd be in tab though. Oh, wow, okay, here we go. Just increase that. Go up to 20 centimeters. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's still kind of like free. Oh, the grid only matters for this. Yes, okay. Let's just reset that though, then, because the grid's not really going to help us in that regard. I don't like that. I want it to be symmetric, but whatever. We'll roll with it. We'll roll with it. Let's just put that. Okay. Should be 5 centimeters. Alright. Okay, so we need an extra chassis now for student plastic. Well, it's really not going to matter because we can just change the material later on, but let's just make that plate here. And we will form a... Can I just extrude that across? No. Okay. Control. Yeah, we can just extrude that up and out. Alright. And then we need a actuator that can put the leg up and down. So I think I'm gonna bring this back in. This is actually gonna look like a really cool leg. It's gonna be very steampunk. I think I'm gonna have fun with this. So let's piston. It's piston small. So can this piston? Oh yeah, okay. So it does have actuator points. So that is nice. So I don't have to make it a separate actuator. Let's. Why is it all red all of a sudden? though? That's kind of annoying me, but okay. All right. There has to be a way to make these blocks snap on symmetrically. Why is that not an option? Bots, parts, info, grid size, thread center weld icons. Whatever. Let's just move that. Oh yeah, it kind of snaps. Alright, that's fine. What I want to do is I want to bend... Actually, I'd have to bend this with... It's not even going the right way. Wow. T? No, I think I need to... Length limit... Oh, wait. Let's rotate this. There we go. So that's how we want it to go. Is we want it to push out this way. The music is really nice. It's like Minecraft music. And I think we want to have a hinge here. Is there a way to just actuate this myself? T. That's speed. Nope, there's not like an angle limit. Can I kind of, nope. Yeah, how would you like bend this possibly? How'd I do that? Weird. I'm sure there's a way. Okay, well, it's on radial. Advanced, mirror, no. There's not an actuator on this, so I can't really change it manually, change the angle. But I just need it to bend out here so I can attach it to the leg that'll come out here. There has to be a way. Speed. Length limit. That's the only options we have. And we can't really drag this out because that just pulls the piston out. There has to be something. Oh, we have someone in chat. Dylan, this is main assembly. It's pretty fun. Someone just texted me. Alright, well, we can probably figure it out later. What I need to do now is grab an unpowered hinge. Bearing, universal joint. Well, see, I don't know if this is going to be an issue, that I want to have a hydraulic system. 2 axes. I just need a single... I need a single bending joint, not even one that's... I could use the universal joint, but... Or we could just use the bearing and take a rotational force. That's fine. We can do that. Yeah, alright, we'll just do that. It's fine. Let's just put one on this side, too. Okay, no. Can I just put it the other way? Yeah, why can't... Here we go. Yeah, why is it not wanting... It doesn't want me to put it... It's weird. That's bizarre, to say the least. It's like putting it through. I think it's snapping to the... Here we go. I think it was thinking that I wanted to snap it to this one. So, let's see. Let's make another chassis for another one of these. And don't worry, I'm going to make that's aeroplastic, isn't it? I'm going to make the chassis a lot prettier. I'm just trying to block this out just for, like, just for a simple, what the hell, where'd it go? Control Z. I'll make it look way cooler in the future. Just want to stop it. Stop it. Okay, there we go. Good. And then we'll make a Oh, I thought that was a rogue chassis that had somehow popped up there. All right, and then we're gonna bend this out and this out. All right, and this is all right. I want to start putting my creations on Steam Workshop. That sounds fun. So now, is there, okay, so I still need to be able to bend this. Can I set the bending here? Maybe I can accommodate that. T, can I do something? Nope. Yeah, so how am I supposed to bend this around? Because I need to, because like I know it starts the building mode is grid based, right? But I need to be able to bend this together or bend this at not a right angle. So I'm wondering how I might do that. Maybe maybe as soon as I print it, it'll, yeah. So now it bends. But the problem is can't really. So yeah, so now I'm editing this new one. Can I, nope, that's painting. Radial, let's try, whoa, what? Excuse me? Can you not? Why is it jumping? What? Wait, what is it doing? Is it the pistons that are actuated by E? And that's how it's jumping? I'm really confused. So how do I even access coding mode? Yeah, okay, I can program from this. Let's just try. Maybe we can code these. If not, I might have to figure another way out that's not as cool looking. But I want it to be cool. I really do. Wait, what? I'm not supposed to be on chassis. I'm supposed to be on this program. Piston. That's F. That's okay, weird. Oh, the only things that can actuate are the piston and the servo. So that's not really something that we can do. What I need to do is weird. Yeah, I want to make like a member that's a little bit bent. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna do it just jank mode. Alright, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ultra jank mode. Just absolutely jank it out. Okay, no, that's not gonna work. What I need to do is bring this one, extrude this out to here. Extrude that to there. Well, are you gonna work with me? Ah, shoot. Ugh. And then I'm gonna bend that up here. And I need to make a, how do I make like a, okay, I can just do that and just fuse these onto one point. That is like so inconsequential right now, but I don't know. I just feel like I have to make it look good. Okay, can you, oh, I was extruding that way. All right, so now we should be able to, where'd the piston go? Yeah, it's there, okay. Now we can put it at an angle. Very nice. Of course, that doesn't help that. Ugh. Whatever, it's fine, we can do this. Now they got some music sounding like Interstellar. Awesome. That'll only move the leg out. Well, no, it will move it up and down, I think. We're gonna have to see though. This might be super jank. It might be cool. Let's find out. So gotta add some bearings here. I don't know why I'm using two members here. It doesn't really matter at this point. When once I know it actually works, I should be doing that. So really I'm getting kind of carried away here. Alright, well, then I need to add a chassis, plastic, bring that here. Excuse me? Can we not, like, teleport? Okay, then I'm gonna take this, move that, snap it on there. That should be connected, I think. And then bring this down for the leg. It ain't gonna be pretty, but, you know, it's honest work. Okay, I need to actually make a separate... Are you serious? Okay, you know what? Why must it do this? Okay. Why must it be this way? Okay, I need to bend that down. I need to bend the face down. This is like Blender but worse. Nah, I'm joking. This game is awesome. It's just sometimes I need to get used to the UI here. Especially on these building games, when you want to get really complex, it's very important that you get used to the building user interface. Alright, so now what I can do is I can move this out. Hopefully I can attach this on, so fingers crossed. Alright. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, fingers crossed. Alright, well... the first thing that strikes me is those are not connected at all, so... what's the point? Alright, well, okay. Let's reprint that. So, let's see if we can... can we like bind that to here too? There has to be a way for that. I'm seriously surprised that this game doesn't have an option for like setting attach points. So let's just remove this right here. Let's just get rid of this. This entire thing. The entire thing. The entire thing. Come on. Okay, well that just took off that. I have to like get every wireframe. But with this level of, you know, control over how your creation works, you know, there's gonna be like lots of tiny adjustments. I could have just deleted that, couldn't I? Okay. So now I need to figure out a way to lock this in. There has to be a way. I don't know, I really want to do the piston legs, but at the same time it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna prove pretty difficult. I feel bad for chat. I'm literally just, this is like 30 minutes of me attempting to figure out how to rotate something. So, is it gonna stick now? Let's figure it out. Nope, it is not. I'm just leaving like a graveyard of disgusting half-built insect leg concepts around. Is there a guide, is what I'm wondering, for each part? No. Info? No. has to be a way to do this, seriously. Maybe if I built it... Okay, let's see if this works. This, I think, if I get rid of this... Shit. If I get rid of this... Let's see, this might work actually. So I'm gonna make a new chassis that is connected to, new square, connected to there. So now, I can maybe link it to here. No, it's not gonna let me. Chassis can only link to themselves. That's rough. Yeah, is there a way to group chassis? Like, can I, nope. I don't think it's gonna let me. That is a limitation that I was not prepared for. There has to be a way. I can't see how. Can I select both? No. Is there even a way to select? That's cloning. I wonder if there's, I could check. No, there's not really a guide that I can access quickly from here, unfortunately. I'm gonna give this thing one more shot. There has to be a way. There really does. Is there a radial menu off this I can do? Delete, clone, block, symmetry, split, invert. Mirroring. No, that does not do it. Yeah, so you can only wait. Wait, this chassis is... Can I link it to this chassis? No, I cannot. What happens if I do that? It just won't. It won't work. So what I could do is I could just add like yet another. That needs to be rotated. How did I forget that? What I could do is I could add another chassis part connecting this to. No, that wouldn't work either because. Dang, this is rough. Because this can connect chassis. This can connect chassis, but this chassis can't connect to that chassis. There has to be a way to do this. Let's get rid of that. Why? Okay. Let's take this. Yeah, no, it's still not wanting to connect here. That's rough. So I can connect it here, but I can't connect it. It has to be connected to one thing. Why is it doing that? I'm refusing to give up, which might be a bad idea. To be perfectly honest. There has to be something. Oh wait, attachment. Hold on, hold the phone. I think we have what we need here. So now, okay, this might work actually. This might be what we're looking for. So now, come on. Can I attach this to that? What does the attachment even do then? What does it do? Yeah, what? Is it just like a fixed? Well, so What if I put it on here? And then, no, okay, that's definitely not gonna work. And there's no way I can link that, because it doesn't like chassis connecting to other chassis directly. Thrust, motors, miscellaneous, tools, no, that's like actual things. Weapons, decals. It has to be something with this attachment. There has to be something with this. I already have one. Wow. It's like you can't make a circle. You can't connect this to this to this back to this. It can only be a straight line. It can only be this to this or this to this. You can't connect the other ends. So you can never make a loop. Workshop. There has to be a workaround here. I'm just not seeing it. Can I program off this? Now it's just gone silent. Wouldn't it be so much more interesting if I was playing, what is it? Risk of Rain and trying to figure out how to connect parts together in this. Now I can't, oh wait, yeah, okay, I can connect there. What if I connect it here? Yeah, okay, still can't do that. I could make, no, that wouldn't work either. Nope. I guess I'm gonna have to throw in the towel here. This is not gonna work. What's the point of having a piston then? Because you can never make a hinge if you don't have a loop. Correct? And the piston does have a hinge. So it's like they want you to be able to do that, but it can't connect twice to a. There has to be something I'm missing. There has to be. Tab, info, listener, show bounds. Wait, weld icons? What's a weld icon? Oh, it's that, I think. Let's find out. Nope, that's not it. Show bounds, thrust center, balance kits. You know what? I said I was gonna leave it, but I literally can't. There is just something I'm missing here. Let's at least grab another connector, because that might be what we need here. So I'll just bring it in here. I keep pressing escape. So we'll delete this. That's what we want. is connecting here. And then create a new chassis. Put that here. We can't attach to any other chassis. We can only attach to this point. Yeah, it just won't collide. Alt. You know, Alt's gonna bend it, like it's just gonna warp the frame. That's not gonna help us. Dude, the music in this game is great. It's like not anything like, it's not like anything like epic like Halo, it's just relaxing. Make a chassis unique. Divide up a plane? Okay, that just subdivides. That's not gonna help us either. Lock chassis for moving. Unlock chassis for moving. So, what can I do now? That didn't have any effect. Unlock. So why is this invisible now? Yeah, why is it? What the heck? Maybe it... Can I do a chassis from here? And then extrude out? And then connect that? No. Weld. No freaking way. Yes! We got it, we got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. That actually might work. Let's try it. I don't know what this is just the weld icon, I think. Hold on. Hold the phone. If it wasn't welded, it'd be falling out now. Let's go. We figured it out. Okay. Time to get crazy now. I think F is pissed. Yes! It's having a little problem, but I can see it. It's really working. Yes. Let's go. This is huge. This is absolutely colossal. So now I just have to make it look pretty because I don't like when it looks jank. Just delete this. Delete the root. Then we need to just, you know, kind of pull this out. Let's do this. Frick yeah. Just gonna pull that out. Send that down. Actually, we'll just do that. And then weld this. Attach, or yeah, weld to this. So, I think what we can do is now just bring this in, because the weldment doesn't really matter. It's gonna be welded anyway. It doesn't matter where this is. I just want to make it look cool. And we'll bring this one. I don't think we should do that. That also doesn't look good. Like this probably. Bring this up. Jeez. Okay, there we go. I'm figuring out that a lot of this is just me going for aesthetic value, which is kind of lame. Okay, so somehow that's not welded now anymore. So that's connected. The other side isn't though. I mean, that's fine. that's not really a problem because where's the delete button? There we go. Oh, we can clear these out. Let's go. All right, clean up our litter. Just these husks. So now we can try again. So that's welded. This is not welded because there's no symmetry. I think. Alright, so now I just need to change. Okay, so it doesn't like, we need to change this. Wow. Excellent grammar. Okay, let's try that. What is going on here? Or whatever. I'm gonna just weld this. I'm gonna just. Can I just mirror? Let's just mirror this and see what happens. Yeah, okay. Then we'll just get rid of this. Alright. That should be welded. It's not welded. Why is it not welded? That could be a problem. It's like jiggling around in there too. It's not a problem because okay, so what is causing that backlash here? Maybe the because it's going on the other one. I can see that. Jeez, if I press escape one more time, I swear. Okay, how do I get out of here? Oh, it's enter. All right. Then it must be something with this thingy not being able to move very well. The program. T. Is there T I can put on it? No. Yeah, so why is it not allowing it to move now? It should bend like this. We have a servo. No, this is not a servo. It's a bearing right here. Bearing right here. So this should be able to expand out. So why can't it? Yeah, it should be able to bend outward. So we're gonna be welding this to like this. Let's just weld it here. What does that do? What is that? What does that mean? I think it means it doesn't like the weld. It has to be close. Or I think it means that the weld is gonna break. Yeah, it might be too much for the weld to handle. So we have F, right? And this is just every turn is something new, but so yeah, so that moves out. This is not wanting to move out for some reason. And these bearings should be able to freely move. I can see them moving on the other side, so it has to be something with the weld that's not allowing it to flex correctly. So maybe it's colliding here. So maybe I should just bring this just for experiment's sake. I should bring this down and this down to where it's not colliding at all with any of the hinges, because when you activate a weld, it might go into like a physics simulation, and that, yeah. So that, since I took away that, I think it. Let's see. Yeah, it took away the weld apparently, which we can fix. Wait, what? Okay. Weld to here. All right. Try it now. I'm still not liking it. Does this... It's almost like those hinges on the piston are only for show. Like, those don't actually actuate. You know, that's probably it, honestly. Okay, in that case, this whole piston idea is gonna go in the garbage, unfortunately. That is sad truth here, so let's just get rid of this. It's, so let's just, oh my goodness, get out of here. Oh god, it's going crazy. Part's gone wild. Alright, so let's just start over again, unfortunately. So we're wanting a multi-legged walker. So we need a servo here. Rotate the servo. Alright, excellent. Now we're going to get another chassis, but this time we're going to just keep it simple. So let's just extrude this out. The music is almost melancholy. It's like Interstellar, or the Fortnite original menu music. Can I? Here we go. Thank you. Honestly, the Fortnite original menu music brings me back. It will live in infamy. So now we need, I think I want to make this like a strand beast, so it's going to be a little weird. What I'm going to do is have a, I'm going to bring this down. So we're going to have a, what? Oh, what the heck? It like sheared downwards because it didn't know which dimension I was bringing it in. Okay, that's good. I just need to make sure that that doesn't collide, but I don't think that's going to be a problem right now. In fact, I can just make it smaller. Like this. Okay. So from here, just bring it upwards actually. Now we can make a couple connections here. So still a little bit iffy on this if this is going to work or not, but it should. I mean, this is so different than Besiege. It's a little bit hard, but let's just see. So actually, I don't think what I'm doing is going to work very well. So I think we're just going to stick with this. Can I center that? Yeah, there we go. And we're just going to bring this down. I think I know what we got to do. Yes. Okay, I got it. This is 90% me saying that I got it when I don't got it. Also, someone is chiefing really hard outside. Wow, that is loud. Son of a bitch. Alright, so now... Holy crap. I gotta shut the window. I'm gonna get high just from actually just being around this, the weed air. Alright, so we know that these don't really matter, so we're just gonna make two pistons like this. But I want to center them, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this in here, and then I'll make a new one just so they can both be on their own center. snap that in the center there, snap that in the center there. Okay. So we know that this actually won't bend, so it's just for show. I guess, you know what, just for, I mean, if it was really a problem, we just put them at opposite angles, but I don't think it's really a problem. We'll see. So then we need some like friction foot pads. So let's make some friction foot pads, and that's suction. That would be really fun, actually. That could be very interesting. But what we need is a spring. And then another spring to go here, if it's gonna let me. Nope, it's not gonna let me. Can I, what? Let me put it on, please. Why is it doing this? Oh, well. This is a massacre. This is just me not knowing how to do this. Okay, so I don't think it's liking this one for some reason. Okay. Why is it stretched here, but not stretched? What is going on? Okay. In that case, I'm just gonna get rid of this. I'm just gonna take the path of least resistance now. It's getting pretty wild. And I don't want to bore you guys with me being unable to figure out how to make this work. So now we have our actuating legs. So I want to miscellaneous tools. Yeah, friction pad. I want to make like cool bug legs, but for now, I want to make claws, but for now we're just gonna have a friction pad, just for simplicity's sake. Let's see how it works. Okay, well those springs can shear. That's rough. And the pistons are not extending. I thought the piston extension was F. Was it not? Well, we can just check off programming. Program. It's F. Wait, it says there's okay. Piston too. Extend. Oh yeah, we can try that. Okay. All right. Okay, so those springs are really shearing around, which I don't like. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, I think we really have a good chance of making this look cool. I just need to polish it up. So let's see. You get rid of the spring. Okay. We need to make these pistons larger. So we're gonna add a second piston. Mechanical powered. And a second piston here. A second piston, oh yeah, no, it's mirrored. So now, why is that just hanging around there? Okay, so now I think we can clone this set backwards. So I'm gonna make extrude this out, extrude that out, and make like some legs here. And extrude that out. I'm gonna run, wait, no, I don't think I should run 4 legs for now, because that's not gonna be stable at all. We need 6 legs or more. But we can try. So then I need to make this a, yes, very nice. So we're gonna put that there. And I'm going to move this so it's equal length from the center of mass. That clone is going to be coming really handy though. I do like that. It's very nice. Okay. So now let's set up a program here. That's Q is not program. E is program. So we want our W and S to be forward and backwards. So this is going to be pretty wild because we need servo. Why are there only 2 servos? But that's strange. There are only 2 servos. That's servo 2, servo 3. Okay, so they're linked, unfortunately. Although I think that might be okay because they're going to move in opposite directions, which is what we want. So that might just save us time. So I need we're going to have to do some weird advanced stuff here to make a walk cycle. Luckily, I've been playing... I don't even want to say this. I've been playing Game Builder Garage, so I know how to make this work. What we need is a toggle. Yes. And we need, I think we're gonna just, oh, that's really cool actually. So, wow, it just kicked me out. Nope, that's chassis. Okay, we're still in chassis. I'm getting excited because with this special, or whatever it's called, the advanced programming, this could be pretty cool. So let's delete this, obviously. And we need inputs. Input. We need an input. Let's just start with forward. Oh, I keep kicking myself from it. So, well, thank you everybody for watching. I'm seriously surprised you stuck with me this long. I guarantee you that is pretty wild. Okay, so W. So W is going to output a positive. So that's going to turn on the signal. No, we actually don't need a toggle. Do not need one of those. All we need is when this puts out a 1 value, that's going to turn on a sine function, hopefully. That's going to... Do we have a sine function? Trig? Yeah, we do have sine functions. Very nice. Actually, we don't need a sine function. We just need a timer. So we're going to have a timer, and that's going to actuate servos 2 and servo 3. Let's just... Can I delete this? How do I delete the... Can I just pull the plug out? Nope. Can I pull this out? No. How do I... What the heck? I'll just delete it. My solution to everything. Just let me in. This is, I'm like been going, this is bad. Okay, so what we need is we have W. Now W is going to activate a loop function where it's going to output a positive, then a negative, and a positive, then a negative value. So we need to have servo. Okay, so let's pull that. Then we want to set it to current angle, and we're gonna have a servo 3 set to current angle. So what we want is a loop, a for loop. Math, nope, that's like actual calculations. Rounding, logic, not binary exclusive or. I just need a loop. Nope. That's not it, I don't think. Not it. State, possibly. Yeah, I think it's here. I like these hand-drawn drawings, it's pretty cool. Hold. Well, I'm gonna have to muddle my way around here for a sec, but we should be able to figure this out in time. So W should activate. Actually, I could just have a sign. I could just have a sign function. Screw it. Whatever, just sign. So, what is this gonna do? So, it's gonna input. This should input a multiplication per time. I need a timer. Here we go. Oh, we can just do a wave. That's way easier than having a sign, because they'll do the same thing. It's just simplified. It's dedicated for that. Smooth noise. I could probably just do the wave. It's fine. Oh, yeah, but that's not. Oh, I could just multiply these, because this will put have an output of 1. See, as when I select W. When I select W. Debug value. Yeah, okay. I don't think it's letting me do this right now, but debug. Okay, no. So we're gonna set a multiplication. Look at that little sine wave. Very nice. I keep doing that. I think we're looking good here. So I feel like my math skills are gonna be really gonna make this super awesome and cool. What is wrong with me? It doesn't. I don't think it is mat. Wait, that's an output. What the heck? I don't need that. I need an input off the parts. Servo. Input. That's an output. Okay, there we go. Jeez. Now we got an input. Very nice. Okay, so this is gonna set to here and to here. So let's see what this does. It should move the legs back and forth. Please work. You know what? I'll take it. All right, I'll take it. You should be doing that, but they're not synced up right. It's, you know what? I am feeling good with this here. Can I enter? Let's see. Can I not edit it? Well, it's not gonna let me get out. Okay, so I just need to enter programming off this. I could probably invert these values actually with E. Flip part? No, that's not going to be it. Invert? Possibly? No, that's just going to invert the entire thing. I don't need... Jeez. So I'm probably going to have to do it from the code, or from the code menu. So parts. I just went out of the programming again. Jeez, this is gonna be a death of me. Okay, no, I can. That's name. So I need to either turn off mirror. Yeah, I just need to turn off mirror mode. Honestly, because this is going to be asymmetric servos. So let's just delete this. Actually, let's toggle part reflection. Okay. Here we go. All right. That should. Yeah, okay. That is good. So now we can clone this. And it will be dependent. It will be its own servo. So that's good. So what servo is this? This is servo 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, and 5. That makes no sense, but we're gonna roll with it because I don't have time to rename them. But we're getting closer. So let's just grab the new servos here. So 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 2, a 3, and we have a 4 rotate and a 5 rotate. I'm feeling good about this. We may not finish this tonight, but I'm feeling good. So we need to have these inverted for 2 of these. So 3, 4, I'm just gonna have to check. So 3 and 4 are in the front. Yeah, 3 and 4 are in the front, and they're opposite of each other. So I need to have a negative invert. Nope. Sign. Negative. Negate. Yeah, that's what we're looking for here. Negate this and negate that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename these just off this. So can I rename? No. So let's just set transparency. Oh, that is so nice. All right. So this, and this are the 2 front ones. So I will set, we're going to set right side bias here. So this one, and that one should be negated. Okay, awesome. So let's delete these. Can I just, good lord. How do I delete the node connections though? Can I select them? No. No, okay. Yeah, how would I, excuse me? Subway style, okay. Oh, okay, since there's only one input on these, it'll just switch to whatever. Alright, so let's see, so this should switch to here. Check. This should switch to here. Check. This should switch to there. And this should switch to there. And this should switch to here. Okay, let's see how that works. Here's hoping that it's not going to be jank as heck. Okay. Okay, I like it. So these just need to be inverted. So I negated them wrong. But that's fine because we're getting closer. Oh, I just spawned that on top. Nice. Just do this. So let's just move. This one here. So we're going to attach this one directly and attach this one to there. Okay, wait, no. Attach this one to here. Attach this one directly. Let's try it. Please work. Yes. Let's go. Okay, so that's good. It's kind of shuffling along. So, okay, that is looking excellent. So let's create a new one here. and we are going to have each piston extend when it's at the front. So when it's moving forward, it's going to extend. No, when it's moving backwards, it's going to extend. When it's moving forwards, it's gonna return to normal. Okay, I think I can do that. I think I know how to program that. So, we can probably do. When this is positive, it's going to extend. So we're going to make a. Let's just do one of these. So piston 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9. So we'll do 8 and 9 here. That's nice, but it's okay. Extend and 9 extend. So for these, we are going to set that it will extend when this is positive. Only when it's only when it's moving backwards. I guess we could just set this to here and see what happens. Let's just jump right in. Okay. Okay, I see. So I need to have it activate when the derivative of the function is negative something. All right, well, okay. Maybe we can just leave it as it is and see what happens. No, let's just not do that. I'm feeling good about this, so we want this to actually be a negative off this. So you want this extension to function when. Do we even have like a derivative function? Logic? No. Trig? That's not it. Miscellaneous? No. Clamping? No. Rounding? Nope. Yes, let's go, baby. So we do have derivatives. So when the derivative of this is, I might have to switch around signs, but when this is okay. I need to move this around. So can I scroll, please? Can I scroll? No, okay. Can I scroll now? No, maybe it's middle mouse button. Come on. No. No, okay. Do I only have this much space to work with? That can't be. That cannot be. I know there has to be more space to work with here. There's no way you could make a huge program with this little space. Okay, well. Okay, at any rate, so we want to have. I guess we can just leave these down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this to this and this to this. So derivative, when it's decreasing, we want these to extend. So I want to give this a negate. So we're gonna, can I clone that? No, okay. That's, no, it's state. I think it's state. Nope. Oh yeah, it'd be sign, obviously. So this way we can set this to this and this to this. Let's try that. And it should also be extending for, I need to check which one is which. So we are looking at 8 and 9. And we want to do the, 10 and 11. Yeah, how do I get a new controller? Because there has to be a way to zoom around here. There has to be. I'm sure we'll figure it out. So 10 and 11, I think, was. So extend. And 11. So these are all going to link to the same derivative. And I guess we could just copy these. Control C, Control V. Control V. Well, okay, it's not liking that. There has to be a zoom mode. I swear, this is a little bit weird to not have one. We'll just, and then we're gonna do the same thing, but without the negate. So we're gonna do a derivative. Very nice they have calculus. I used to hate calculus, but now I like it because it helps with things like this. Unless it doesn't help, and then I will be angry at calculus again. So 8, 9, 10, and 11, so we need from 4 to 7. So extend that extension, 5, that extension, and 7, that extension, okay. And we'll link these all to the derivative. Let's see if this gives us what we want. Here's hoping. Fingers crossed. Really bouncing around like crazy. Which is what I expected to do, but if I can add another set of pistons, it should work. Why is it going backwards? Seriously. Alright. That looks like it's working though. It's having the right movements, so that's a good sign. Alright. Let's check though, because I need to check whether there's a zoom option for programming, because bot. Nope. No. Programming, P. Well, that's quick programming, that's nice. Okay. Well, we can go to programming right away, so that's nice. I swear, I remember when I was playing this game before, you could zoom. So where is it? What does this do? Control? Oh, it just highlights all the outputs, maybe? Alright, well, nevertheless, I think we're just going to go ahead with figuring this out. So we're going to have to move some extra space for pistons. It's getting very packed. This is going to be bothering me, though, if there's not enough... If there's not enough space here. And there's seemingly no way to get more space. That's... I keep exiting. There has to be a zoom or something. Nope. Not even like pinching and dragging the screen is working. So... Is there a way that we can get another microcontroller? Electronics? Controllers. Okay. To possess and control a bot. Very nice. What, that is... Oh, wait. It looked bigger than I thought. Okay, so what does this do? So I'm... Obviously, it's probably going to be able to just give us more coding space. I'll just slap it over here for now. So let's try. Okay, so we just have to like... Can we like send messages from one to the other? Is there an input? Okay, yes, so the input and output, those are wireless. So... I mean, this is kind of cool because it forces you to have more CPUs if you're going to have more code. So that's realistic. Like, the more code you have, the bigger your computer's the more control centers you need. I do like that, actually. Let's see. So, what we want... What time is it? It's kind of late. But I also want to... get this... I could just control the front legs with this scheme. And then control the other legs with the exit, or the... Can I select these all? There we go. Okay, well, let's just drag these individually. So... You have all the space down here, so theoretically we could just like slap this down here. That would be nice. So let's try that just to get more space. It doesn't have to be pretty. So now you can put this here and this here. Okay, I think we should be good. So now I can put some more legs in and see what we can do. And we might not even need the extra processor. So let's extend this out some more. I swear, this is going to be the last thing of the night, though. I'm very tired. We'll probably have to rerun. No, that's not the right word. Restart this little session tomorrow. Oh, Lord. Look how it kind of shakes. That's the problem with the... Oh my goodness. Oh wait, no, that's right. That's the problem with designing in 2 dimensions. On a 2-dimensional screen, is it's hard for the computer to know what direction you're actually pulling it in. And that's why I've found that designing on a VR headset is so much nicer, but it's also expensive. Okay, so let's just extrude a little bit more here. And why is that curving upwards? Oh, because I bent it down a little bit. When did that ever happen? It's just by 1 little centimeter. Let's drag that up. Drag that up. Okay. Okay, now it's straight. Clone. Slap this sucker here and slap that here. So hopefully what's going to happen is it's going to work now. And then tomorrow my only goal is just make it look cool. So we have some new parts. So now I need to figure out which servo is which. So this servo needs to go on the negative somewhere. This one has to go on the positive. Why am I using multiple negative translators? I only need one. Is all I need. So we'll just do this. And servo 4, 5, and 6 possibly. I'm just taking a wild guess here. There's not. Yeah, I'm just taking a wild guess just from the pattern. It's probably be wrong, but and then 2, 3, and 4. Nope, 4. So maybe 7. Rotate. Put that here. Okay. Let's see if that works. Yes. The only problem is one of the servos isn't moving. Oh, it's kind of walking now. Look at that. Oh, I forgot to connect it. Wow. No, just stay there, please. Okay. Maybe I can just do this. Drag it from here to here. Okay. And now we can try these pistons. So there's 2 pistons apiece. So let's just check which piston's which. So we want the back right leg. The back right leg. So which is the 14 and 15? Yes, okay. So we'll put that there. And then this is 12 and 13. And we'll put those there. And then link those up, but we don't need transparency to do that. Why is the derivative? Well, oh wait, yeah, never mind. So derivative goes here, derivative goes here, derivative goes, nope. Derivative goes here. Come on, thank you. It is. Wait, we're on ice. Are you kidding me? Why was I doing this entire time on ice? Wow, I never even thought to maybe take it to where there's actual friction. That is just incredible. We are moving forward incredibly slowly. But it is working. It is working. Oh my god, it's so dumb. What if I made it faster? What if I just made it faster? Let's just make the wave amplitude like a crap load. Let's just do 10. That's gonna make it incredibly fast. Okay, it's gonna be 10 times as fast. Let's roll. Let's ride. This will be a speed demon now. Yeah, it's much faster. Is that, did it save? Yeah, that's 10, all right. Amplitude should be, wait. Never mind. I don't think amplitude, do I just like not know sine waves? Wow. I think what we need is the period to go faster. Let's just turn that up. Period. What goes faster? I forgot which period is faster. Like a low period? A low period. Oh yeah, 'cause that's the amount of time between each crest. Oh, shoot. Alright, well. Ooh, very nice. You make different artistic patterns here. Alright, let's try this. Oh yeah, now it's it's really going for it now. It's just literally just having a seizure now. The funny thing is it's actually going faster than it was before. The thing is it's not, I need to do amplitude too. I think, yes, I think it's gonna need amplitude to be high as well. So let's see if that's gonna, let's do an amplitude of 10. Okay. Oh god, that is just spazzing out. I fear for that CPU. Okay. Why is it? Maybe it's going so. Wait. Oh god, it's so dumb. I think the problem is that the piston. Yes. That's piston. No, we need this. Yes. Okay. Angular speed. Motor strength. There's no angle that. Well, yeah. The angle should be 10. Right? Yeah, what is it? Angle, range is, oh yeah, it's 1 to 1. So we don't need to change amplitude because that just maxes it out. So we need 1. We just need the speed to be higher, I think, for each of these. So we have to go through and change the speed to as high as it goes. 100. 100 speed. Let's see what that does. Then we're going to need to change the piston speed too. So this is going to be lots of reprogramming. Nice. And I'm probably getting blood clots in my legs now for sitting down for so long. Okay, let's try that. Let's see what that gives us. Let's ride. Well, this one's moved a little bit more. Look at that. Except only one of... I think I set that one to 1,000. That might have been the problem. 45, 45. Wait, what? It never updated. Are you kidding me? 100. Enter. 100. Enter. 100, enter. Okay, I just didn't have me enter it. Alright. This is so much trial and error, but that's pretty much... Why is this one not? Never mind. That's making robots for ya, or pretty much any of this building stuff. Engineering as a whole. Yeah, look at that. So why is it, I think, I'm just going to stop the period from being so high. I think that's, turning it up to a ludicrous amount is funny, but that really isn't going to help. Just do like 5. That, let's see if that works. That's a little bit more reasonable. Yeah, okay. Like that's like actually reasonable. And look at it, it's cruising along. Way to go. God, it's so lame. What have I done? What have I made? Oh God, it's so dumb. I can't even turn with it. I don't even know how I would turn with it. How would I turn with it? Just turn off one of the legs? Yeah, I guess I could just do that. Just turn off the motion of half of it, like tank steering. Oh, poor guy, he's stuck on a tree. Help him. For only $10 a month, you could help this poor bug robot not get stuck on the goddamn tree. It's okay. Let's go back. We can't go backwards. Alright, well, let's just... Okay, I'll leave you to die. We can just start a new one. Look at how fast this guy's going. He's going real crazy. Okay, let's get to a clear open space where he can really spread his wings and fly. Yes, look at him go! These aren't even going through their whole motion. It's like going, yeah, I don't know. I think it has to do with the period, though. Some of these pistons aren't even working. That piston's not even actuating. One of these is not connected. Yes, here we go. God damn, man. All right, look, now it's gonna work perfectly, actually. So now it's gonna work like a charm. Oh wait, it actually does move significantly better now. Like, relatively. Look at that. Boston Dynamics, eat your heart out. Look at that. It's the future of robots, everybody. Just imagine that coming towards you in the Terminator movies. Jesus Christ. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end it here, because I'm big tired, so... Alright, people love the walk. People love the walk. I'm gonna have to clip that. Alright.